All right, all right, all right. What's going on, my free folk friends? Oh, I'm beat. I just got back from a crazy kayak. Beautiful out here. So, look at what the market did. We just tagged that 50%, and doesn't look like we're gonna close on the lows. It's not a bloodbath, man. I know this is a big move, and they took a lot out, but you're going over the weekend. People are worried about voting. You got Bullard talking again on Monday, so everybody wants to be out. And I bet the fact that Bullard is talking, the one of the Fed presidents, Bullard, that people are jumping out. He's the cat who drove the market down yesterday. Um, he's going to talk again on Monday, and elaborate on his position. But it's really just rhetoric. I don't think they're going to go 50 basis points. But I just kind of feel as though that's what brought the market down. So anyway, we could look at the technicals. The technicals tell us how vulnerable the market is to risk. Then we get somebody who comes out, something happens, and that's the catalyst. And then we end up tagging our targets on the technicals. So now we're down around the 50, to 50. We broke the 50, which we talked about on the Fibonacci. The 55% is 390, and then we got the 61%, which I think we're going to hit that 364. So I've been calling for it ever since right here, but well, actually right here, I thought we were going to make a flag and go down. But there it is, the tag and down. So, I mean, that's how you want to be wrong, just on your time, not on your investments. So I'm trying to get hit on a position right now. I like it down here. I'm going to take a little piece just in case this is the extent of it. But I'm not getting crazy because, yeah, who knows? The Russian runs in, and there's going to be more buying opportunity. Don't fear it. The Russian makes the move. It doesn't affect us. It's not going to mess with us. There'll be a knee-jerk reaction. Buy, because shortly afterwards, we're going to be fine, man. Our economy is going to do what our economy does. We're going to be fine. Maybe not a lot of trips to the Ukraine, but that's about the extent of it. So, which is unfortunate because Ukrainian food is pretty good. There's a couple of places. Oh, and that's the close. There's a couple of places in Brooklyn. So, okay. So anyway, it's Friday, man, and here we got this big ass bar, and really, we're looking for that 63, 64, like I said. So, hopefully we get to see that. I've got a lot of cash. I was anticipating this move down, and I'm looking for it, and I'm going to put that cash to work. That's more on the investing side. On the trading side, I'm just going to see what Monday offers us, and maybe play that. I think it's raining Monday, so I'll probably trade. It's just I was locked in the cabin for like almost a month, man, cold and miserable, and it was dark. January is just awful, and that's a cold season. I mean, now we're getting into the spring in down south, so I'm just ODing on some good weather. But I'll get my head together, get back in the game, and start trading. So anywho, thanks for stopping in. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate that. Monday, check me out on Twitter at trading_off. And tell your friends, tweet me out, share the channel, help me out, would you? Comments go a long way. I appreciate those comments, and like it up and all that good stuff, all that good social media interaction you should be doing. And then we'll see each other in the metaverse, where I'll have my avatar and I'll sit in front of you and trade. So if you support the channel, make some donations, help me get things off the ground, you'll be all a part of that. So anyway, have a most excellent weekend, and I will see you Monday morning.